The Code Complete feature allows you to create algorithms that suggest the CPT code based off of the information you enter during a patient's encounter. MaximEyes EHR comes with some of these code suggestions already created for you. You also have the option to create your own automatically generating suggested codes based on whatever criteria you decide is required. The benefit of using data to trigger codes is that you don't need to remember specific findings and then search for the appropriate codes, since they're automatically suggested for you. Let's see an example of how the CPT code suggestion works. In the final procedures element, we can see that there are no CPT code suggestions yet because there is no information yet entered into this encounter. Let's take a look at where in MaximEyes EHR the instructions are for all CPT code suggestions and use the example of pachymetry. Here's where you can see the algorithm to trigger the CPT code suggestion for pachymetry. Basically, it reads as, if there is information in any of the corneal thickness fields for the pachymetry element, then use the CPT code of 76514. Let's add information into the encounter that'll trigger this CPT code suggestion. We've added some information that should trigger a CPT code suggestion for us. Information in the corneal thickness fields for the pachymetry element. And because of this information being in there, we see that it has triggered the suggestion. You can select that suggestion and use it as the procedure code. Now let's add our own suggestion trigger. So here are the details of the rule condition. Let's now put it to the test. We'll add values to the sphere fields. And because we do, we see that it has suggested the CPT code of 92015.